I was fortunate enough to attend the DDBrix workshop. Highly recommended. You can see in a very practical way what the impact is of DDMRP. Hi, my name is Japie Boonzaaier. I work for a company called DDBrix. We play in the edible fats and oil space. I am a logistics manager at the company. I was fortunate enough to attend the DDBrix workshop. Highly recommended. You can see in a very practical way what the impact is of DDMRP. Something I would definitely advise other supply chain professionals to do. There's a far big impact in terms of cost and operations, and how DDMRP can help to increase the flow of your operations. I would like to commend Oliver and Luis on the stellar job they did. I think it's a very complex and sophisticated industry and company they work for, and they explained the implementation of DDMRP in such a way that I walked out feeling really want to get into it, get stuck in, and get it implemented and rolled out in our company. Phenomenal presentation.
Stop managing